Welcome to Yotta Pay. Let me walk you through the process on how to start accepting contactless instant payments direct to your bank. First, go to your mobile device app store and search for Yotta Pay, then click the download icon. Once downloaded, open up the app and complete the sign-up process. Go to the Business tab and activate a plan that suits your business. This will allow your clients to pay you without having Yotta on their phones. Then navigate to the Home tab and click Receive. Type in your desired amount along with a job reference and then click Generate QR code. Then your client will scan the QR code using their mobile phone and they will be prompted with a link. After they click the link, they will be guided through an easy paying process, sending money directly from their bank to yours instantly with no delays or hidden fees. Thank you for using Yotta Pay.